This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use OnX Hunt for public land. We'll start by understanding the core features that make OnX Hunt an essential tool for hunters. You'll learn how to quickly identify public versus private land boundaries, ensuring you stay compliant and safe. We'll also cover how to access crucial land ownership details and use the app's robust GPS capabilities to navigate confidently in the field. This foundational knowledge will set you up for successful and informed hunting trips. Next, let's dive into mastering the various map layers available in OnX Hunt. You can easily switch between satellite, topographic, and hybrid views to get the best perspective for your hunting area. Activating the public lands layer will clearly highlight accessible areas, while the private lands layer provides essential landowner information, including contact details in many cases. Understanding these layers is key to planning your approach and avoiding trespass, making your hunt more efficient and enjoyable. Now, let's explore the powerful planning and tracking tools within OnX Hunt. You can drop custom waypoints to mark important locations like your tree stand, a game trail, or even a fresh sign. The app also allows you to record your exact path, which is incredibly useful for reviewing your movements and understanding how you covered ground. Additionally, use the measurement tools to calculate distances and areas, helping you strategize your hunt and optimize your time in the field. Finally, let's talk about maximizing your OnX Hunt experience, especially in remote areas. Always remember to download your maps for offline use before heading out, ensuring you have full functionality even without cell service. Your data, including waypoints and tracks, syncs across all your devices, so your information is always current. Also, take advantage of the integrated wind and weather forecasts to make informed decisions about your hunting strategy, giving you an edge in the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.